Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to do a magic knot. So this is my yarn. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wrap this yarn around my index finger. So I'm going to hold it with my thumb and my index finger. I'm going to wrap it around once, wrap it twice. So this is how my yarn is so far. Now what I need to do is, I will loosen this yarn a bit, the one that I have wrapped. I will loosen it a bit. Now I'm going to take my hook, insert my hook in the loop that I had created around my finger, wrap the yarn around it and pull it. So now you see there is a loop that gets created. Now I will release my finger. So now if you see, this is how the yarn looks. So I'm going to hold it, pinch and hold it in my finger. So let me show that to you once again. Hold your yarn, wrap your yarn around once, wrap it twice, loosen the loop a little so you can pull, you can insert the hook and pull the loop through. Now I'll insert the hook. This is the loose end. Wrap my yarn around and pull it through. Then you can, once you have let it go, make sure that the ring does not turn on the other side. It's the same side that you remove from your ring index finger. Then you can either start doing a stitch, you can make a chain, but hold both the loops, and then either you can do a single crochet. So here I'm doing a single crochet, so I can show you how to tighten the magic knot. So I'll do a couple of single crochets here. Okay, so I've done a couple of single crochets around the yarn, around the magic knot. Now what I'll do is, so this is how it is so far. It's like a ring. I'll hold this end and then pull it, pull the loose end as much as I would like to tighten the knot. And then you can continue to work in this loop. So you will need to practice this a couple of times until you get a hang of it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.